Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix audio crackling issue on Windows 11 PC or laptop. To fix this, first open the search menu. Now, type Edit Power Plan. Then, select the first result that appears. In this window, click on the Change Advanced Power Settings option. This will open the Power Options window. Here, click the plus icon on the left of PCI Express. Now, expand Link State Power Management. Finally, set these on battery and plugged into moderate power savings. You can also turn this off. If you are on a PC, you will only see one drop-down menu. Once you have changed this, hit Apply and then OK. Now, restart your PC and check if the audio cracking issue is resolved. If the issue is still there, you can try updating the speaker drivers. To do this, right-click on the Start icon on the taskbar. Now, select Device Manager from the list. In the Device Manager window, double-click on Audio Inputs and Outputs to expand it. Here, you should find your speakers. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Here, select Browse My Computer for drivers. Then, click on this Let Me Pick option. Now, choose Audio Endpoint here. Finally, click Next to install the driver. Restart your PC after this and check if the problem is resolved. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.